Hello and welcome to the NLC Prep channel. I'm your host, Dr. Tony Nettleman, and today we're going to be looking at some fantastic practical surveying tips, tricks, and knowledge. I hope you really enjoy it. If you do, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and hitting that bell icon so you can see more great upcoming content which is just around the corner. Let's get started.
I'm expecting that you guys have used differential levels several times before. You've used them as single wire and gone through and leveled from benchmark to benchmark. This is a new kind of creature though, because we are performing precision leveling. What does that mean? We're using the same instrument and the same level rod, but we're going to be using it with 3 wires. Now, if you look inside this scope, you've noticed before that you've always used the middle wire. So line up the middle wire, take a measurement. Well, if you've been a little bit on the ball, you'll notice that there are also a bottom wire and a top wire. And when you use all 3 wires, top, middle, and bottom, you can get much more precise measurements. You have to log all 3 wires in your field book from the instrument for every observation. So how does this work? I start off on my known point, which is not set up over the instrument, but the instrument is halfway between the known point and the unknown point. So let's imagine that my rod man is on the known point. So I'll say steady up, and she'll go ahead and plumb the rod. All right, I'll look through here and I'll take not 1 measurement, but I'll take 3 measurements, top, middle, bottom. Then I'm going to say, come ahead, and my rodman is going to walk over to the next unknown point. So rodman, plumb up. And then the rodman will go ahead and walk over to our temporary point or turning point. We've got a turtle, hopefully. If not, you got to know your point. Turn my instrument, take not 1 measurement, but 3. Top wire, middle wire, bottom wire. The nice thing about this is that there is no difference between regular leveling and 3-wire precision, except we record all 3 wires. That's it. If you can do that, you'll be in good shape. But make sure that your rod is always plumb when you're measuring. Make sure that you know the numbers you're calling off to your note keeper, because even being off 100th is going to distort your measurements. And finally, don't give me a beer leg. Don't walk over and straddle the tripod and take a measurement. Instead, make sure you're away from the legs and you're measuring well. Don't forget to record all 3 wires for every measurement. If you can do that, and you can stay away from those blunders like beer legs or not leveling the rod, you'll be in good shape.